So this old charger for the Taylor Dunn went bad, and it had the power, positive and negative, to charge the batteries, plus these purple wires. And what it would do is when the charger was plugged in, it would open up these purple wires. All right, so that was an interlock that meant when it was plugged in, the cart couldn't go. So that charger didn't work anymore. I got this new charger that didn't have that. I had to find a way to create that same interlock. So what I had to do is get the two purple wires here to open when the cart is plugged in. So what I did was I spliced into the AC power. This is the AC power coming out of the charger that has an outlet at 120 that goes up to this converter from Well, and you can see that's on now because the cart is plugged in, and that converts 120 down to 5 volts, which powers this relay that you can also see that's on. The relay is normally closed, which means these two purple wires are connected when there's no power. Once it's plugged in, it disconnects these two purple wires. It recreates that interlock. These two purple wires then open. It will not allow the cart to basically turn on with the key and move because it's plugged in. Also protects all the electronics here from the charging voltage, which is going to be higher than your standard voltage. As soon as I unplug this, those are going to turn off. This will go back to closed, and then the cart will be operable again.